This is Microsoft Word Project 9, Formatting a Graduation Program. In this project, you're going to learn how to change page orientation, set margins, you're going to set tabs with leaders, and you're going to change fonts. Here is our story. Tegan is graduating from a small high school in Montana. As class president, she is responsible for creating the program for the class's graduation ceremony. So let's begin with step 1. Open Word Project 9.docs. Go down here, and here we are. Save it as Graduation Program XXX, where XXX are your 3 initials. File, Save As. I need to make sure it is in the correct folder. I will double click, single click should be, and Graduation Program. My initials are ADE. And Word will automatically put the extension on without me typing. So I will just click Save. Step 2. Change the document's orientation to landscape view. So if I zoom out here, I can see I'm in portrait view. I want that to be landscape. So I'm going to go to Page Layout tab on my ribbon. And orientation is right here. Landscape. There, now I can see I am wide. Step 3. Change the document margins to normal. Well, since I'm still on the Page Layout tab, it tells me how my paper is laid out. The margins are right here already. And I want them to be normal. There we go. Since I shrunk the margins down, it looks like it doesn't all fit on one page. Step 4. Change the font of all the text to Monotype Corsiva. Since it's all the text, I can press Ctrl A to select everything. And I need to go back to the Home tab of my ribbon. I can click one time in this box and type in Monotype. Oh, there, it already recognized what I was doing, so I'll just hit the arrow key and then hit enter. Oh, that's a fancy type. Step 5. Select the 2-line title and set a center tab at 7 inches. Here's my 2-line title. If I triple click, it only selects one line, so I'm going to have to click and drag. Center tab at 7 inches. So go to paragraph and go down here to tabs, and I want it center aligned. So this is going to set a tab at a certain place, and it's going to put the middle of my text in line with that tab. 7.0. Okay. See, you have on the ruler a tab here at 7, and it draws an imaginary line right in the middle of my text. Select the remaining text and set a left tab at 5.25, and right tab at 9 inches. So a left tab is going to align the left side of my text at 5.25. Now if I wanted, I could just go up here on the ruler and click for a left tab right there. If I point at it, it doesn't tell me exactly where it's at. If I go up here in paragraph, down to tabs, that was actually 5.25. I want to also add an additional one at 9. And this is a right tab this time. So I'll set that. Hit OK. Hey, that's pretty nifty. So it took this line of text here and it took the left end, aligned it there, and took the right end and stretched it out wide and aligned it there. That was easy. I didn't even know about that. Step 7. With the text still selected, open the Tabs dialog box. Move back. Select the 9-inch tab stop position and apply the number 2 leader style. So a leader is something that goes before a tab. And on my 9-inch tab over here is going to have dots going up to Betsy Stark. Okay. Wow. I could use this for my programs. Step 8. Select the Edward Elgar line. Where is he at? Edward Elgar. He wrote Pomp and Circumstance. There. So I triple click to select him. Select that line. Open the Tabs dialog. Select the 9-inch tab stop. And click the 1 None for the leader style. Okay. Step 9. Remove the leaders from the Jean-Joseph Marais line. So I'm going to do the same thing I did before for Edward Elgar. None for the 9-inch. Okay. Step 10. Remove the leaders from the list of students' names under the heading Conferring of Diplomas. Here's a conferring of diplomas, and we don't want any leaders here. These are just kids' names who are getting diplomas. These are all titles of songs and then the composer of the song. Step 11. Save and close the document and exit Word. The end.